Here is a birthday cake recipe for you all without using egg and with no baking oven. First of all, let's switch on the stove and let the cooker preheat. You can also use any other vessel with heavy bottom. I had the salt that I used for baking previously, but it is completely optional. You can also bake without this salt. Place a stand inside. Now close the lid by removing the gasket and the whistle. Simmer the stove and let it preheat for about 10 minutes. Until then, let's prepare the cake batter. Take a mixing bowl and a measuring cup of your choice. I have taken here a tumbler for measuring. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of vanilla custard powder. Sieve them really well and add to the mixing bowl. Now add 3 by 4 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 by 4 teaspoon of salt. Salt is necessary here as it will heighten the overall taste of the cake. Mix these ingredients well. Next, take the measuring cup, add 3 by 4 cup of sugar. You can add either powdered sugar or granulated sugar. Mix this really well. After mixing it, add 1 cup of milk to this mixture and mix this until sugar melts completely. Add 1 by 4 cup of oil to this. Blend everything nice and smooth so that there are no lumps formed. You can also add 2 drops of vanilla essence to this mixture. Crush few almonds and cashews to add to the batter. This will give a very nice crunchiness to the cake. You can also add tutti fruttis if you like. Add these nuts to the batter. save some for garnishing. Now take a flat bottom vessel and brush a little oil onto the surface so that removing the cake from the vessel becomes easier. Pour the batter completely without wasting any. Open the cooker and place the batter carefully as it will be really hot, and do not hurt yourself. Close the lid and turn the gas just a little more than lowest flame. Let it bake for 5 minutes. Until then, clean the vessels. After 5 minutes, open the lid and garnish the cake with crushed almonds and cashews that we saved earlier. Close the lid once again and let it bake for 30 minutes on low flame. Switch off the flame after 30 minutes and take out the cake tin and let it cool completely. Once it is cooled down completely, cake can be removed easily. Look how beautifully the cake has come out. The cake is soft and delicious. Try this at home and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.